8 natural remedies to get beautifully thicker eyelashes fast. Do you desire to have long and fluttering eyelashes? Who doesn't? Right? To give our eyelashes that dramatic look, we either use mascara or fake eyelashes. But for how long, ladies? Why don't we explore some natural ways to grow long eyelashes instead? Watch this video to know how to get long and healthy lashes with simple home remedies. Let us take a look at how to make eyelashes longer and beautiful naturally. Number 8. Eyelash Growth Serum. You will need 1 teaspoon castor oil, 2 to 3 drops lavender essential oil, 2 drops cedar wood essential oil, and empty mascara bottle. What you have to do? Into the empty and clean mascara bottle, carefully pour in all the oils. Close the lid and shake well. Apply a thin coat of this oil blend on your eyelashes using the mascara wand from the bottle every night. Repeat this every night and you will see results in a short span of time. Castor oil nourishes the hair follicles and hair, while the essential oils promote hair growth. Number 7. Vitamin E for eyelashes. You will need vitamin E capsules. What you have to do? Pick open a capsule and apply the oil present inside on the eyelashes. Leave this on for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Do this once every day. The antioxidant capacity of vitamin E oil promotes healthy hair growth. Application of this oil will also improve blood circulation to the hair follicles. Number 6. Shea Butter for eyelashes. You will need organic shea butter. What you have to do? Take a teeny amount of shea butter in between your fingertips and melt it by rubbing your fingers together. Apply this on your eyelashes. Keep it on over the night. Apply shea butter every night. Shea butter is used in Africa to improve hair texture and quality, as it contains a good amount of vitamin A and vitamin E. It will nourish the hair and the hair follicles and enhance growth. Number 5. Lemon peels soaked in olive oil. You will need peel of 1 lemon, 1/4 cup olive oil. What you have to do? Cut the lemon peel into small pieces and soak in the oil for 2 to 3 days. Now apply this oil on the eyelashes before going to bed. Repeat this every night for longer, thicker eyelashes. We already know how olive oil and castor oil promote hair growth and thickness when applied to the lashes. The lemon peels act as a hair growth promoting agent as it contains vitamin A and C. Number 4. Green tea. You will need 1 teaspoon green tea leaves, a cup of hot water. What you have to do? Add the tea leaves to water and let them soak for a couple of minutes. Once the water has cooled down, apply it to the lashes. Leave this on overnight, preferably. Store the rest of the green tea in an airtight container in the refrigerator. You can use the same decoration for 3 to 4 days. This should be done once every day. The plethora of antioxidants found in green tea promote healthy lash growth and make them longer, thicker, and stronger. Number 3. Petroleum jelly. You will need petroleum jelly. What you have to do? Carefully apply some petroleum jelly on the eyelashes and leave it on overnight. Do this every night. Pure petroleum jelly, if applied to your lashes regularly at night, helps your lashes grow faster, making them thicker and stronger. It is a wonderful emollient. Number 2. Olive and castor oil blend. You will need 1 to 2 drops olive oil, 1 to 2 drops castor oil. What you have to do? Mix olive oil and castor oil together. Apply the resultant oil on your lashes before going to bed. Wash your face in the morning as usual. Apply this every night. These 2 oils make a good combination to promote eyelash growth. Number 1. Castor oil for eyelashes. You will need 1 to 2 drops castor oil, 1 drop lavender oil or neem oil or rose hip oil or rosemary oil or tea tree oil or grapeseed oil. What you have to do: mix the 2 oils together and apply on the eyelashes carefully. Leave it on overnight. Apart from castor oil, you can use any other carrier oils in the same way. Take your pick from olive oil, almond oil, argan oil, coconut oil and jojoba oil. Do this every night religiously and you will have long thick lashes in just a couple of days. So, what do you think? Which remedy are very effective for beautiful eyelashes? Let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to this video a like, share it with your friends and click subscribe to always stay. Thank you for watching us.